Good morning, guys. How is everybody? I hope you guys are doing great. Hot day today. And it's a little chilly in my house. I have my huge big Royals hoodie on. Just that morning burr happening. But all right. So today, national days today. It is National Coconut Cream Pie. Just like it sounds, have a coconut cream pie. Like celebrate it. Yay. I don't know if I'm really a fan. National Have a Coke Day. So again, just like it sounds, have a Coke. Miss Deal. Get my Diet Coke. I'm showing you the wrong way. Oh, there's my Diet Coke. So have a Coke Day. It's National Student Nurse Day. Earlier this week was Nurses Day. And to kind of go along with this is for those that are still in nursing school. So goes with that. National Military Spouse Appreciation Day. So this is for the spouses of people that are in the military that their family is separated or split apart because of being in the military, and one is overseas and one lives here, whatever. So just appreciating them. And National Provider Appreciation Day. This is like childcare, daycare workers, teachers, those kind of things. So just going along with Teacher Appreciation Week. So another just recognizing those people that work with young children. All right. So today is, all right, there's our music. Oh, hold on. Let me make sure it didn't start talking over me. Okay, it didn't. Okay, back on track. So today is Friday. Yay, Friday. And it is May. And it is the 8th. So it is Friday, May 8th, 2020. It's actually my best friend's birthday. Yay. And I get to go to Nike today. So yay for that. But I'm taking down the room. So we have to come up with a plan for what we want the room to look like next year. So start thinking, guys. All right, the weather today, it is supposed to be sunny. Right now it's like in the 40s, like low 40s. But it is supposed to get up to the mid 50s. I have learned with doing these meetings, I am not very good at like the weather. Like I'm like, oh, it's supposed to rain. And there's like a few little drips. So take it for what it's worth. It is sunny. It is supposed to be warm today, but warm like mid 50s. So there you go. All right, there were a ton of current event stories, a ton. There's police officer appreciation or law enforcement. What about that? Thanking them. There was about the NFL schedule, but this one, because it happens this weekend and was so much fun the first time I had to do this one. So there's a Disney sing-along 2. A Disney TV special is on TV May 10th, so Sunday. The TV special will have many actors and singers. The actors and singers will sing songs from Disney movies. The TV special is a sing-along too. This is the second Disney sing-along TV special. So I really liked the first one. I'm probably going to tune in since there's no sports or anything else on. So, people at home can sing the songs. The words for the songs will be on TV. People can read the words and sing. They can sing with the actors and singers. What song would you like to sing? I'm not going to lie. The Aladdin one I thought was awesome. Frozen, I did sing along with those. So I'm really curious what songs they'll do this time. Maybe like some Beauty and the Beast or something. I don't know. We'll see. So tune into that. All right. Our choice board. Get me out of the way. I did the definition one. Oh, I'm scrolled all the way to the bottom. Where the vocabulary, it gives the 3 words, exhausted, amusing, and prickly, and you had to look them up and then use them in a sentence. So exhausted, drained of strength or energy or worn out. So this is the sentence the dictionary came with when I went to dictionary.com. My sentence is in the blue. I was exhausted after that hard workout. Haven't done a hard workout recently because my gym is closed, but when I go back, I'm going to be exhausted. So I was exhausted after that hard workout. Amusing, pleasantly entertaining or diverting, causing laughter or mirth, humorously entertaining. So the kids' jokes were amusing. So they were funny, kind of laughing. All right, prickly. This one kind of is funny to me. It says full or armed with prickles. It's kind of the same word, but prickles are a little sharp, little thorns like, or full of troublesome points. So that's what a prickle is, like a troublesome point, a sharp little point. So I did the rose bush was prickly, then rose bushes, they have little thorns. They were prickly. All right, guys. Thank you for all the responses for Cadence and our paragraphs, our opinion paragraphs and letters to each other. That was awesome. And he really did truly enjoy getting involved. So it was a lot of fun. But thank you everyone for their responses. I still believe he should use his hamper though. You guys have a great weekend. I will see you guys this afternoon for the whole group. I will be at Nike. So we'll be doing a Zoom from Nike. Yay. I'll see you guys.